Hi students, today I am doing the problems area of a triangle using determinants. Third problem, find the values of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are given by 1, k0, 40 and 02. Now let a equal to k0, b equal to 40 and c equal to 02. Now here you take it as x1 comma y1. You take it as x1 comma y1 and you take it as x2 y2 and you take it as x3 y3. We know that area of triangle ABC equal to formula is area of triangle ABC equal to the formula is 1 by 2 into determinant of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. But it is given by area of triangle is given by 4. It is the absolute value. The absolute value of this. Whenever area is given by 4, it can be positive value or it can be negative value. So we have to take plus or minus 4. Then it implies we have half into determinant of, right, 1 by 2 from LHS to RHS. Then it becomes we have equal to 1 by 2 comes this side, plus or minus 4 into 2 equal to plus or minus 8. Now here x1 is we are having k. Now y1 x1 y1 0 1 x2 4 y2 equal to 0. Next 1 x3 0 y3 2 1. It implies now here we have to expand this determinant and then we have to find the value of k. So it implies we have to take plus k into determinant of the element k lies in first row and first column. Close the first row and first column. Remaining elements 0 1 2 1 0 1 2 1. Next minus 0 into anything 0, so minus 0 write directly. So next plus 1 into determinant of the element 1 lies in first row and third column. So close the third column and first row. Remaining elements 4 0 0 2 4 0 0 2 equal to we have plus or minus 8. Then it implies we have k into 0 minus 2 minus 0 plus 1 into determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is always equal to product of principal diagonal elements minus product of half diagonal elements. 8 minus 0 equal to plus or minus 8. So it implies minus 2k plus 8 equal to plus or minus 8. Now take minus 2k plus 8 equal to plus 8 and minus 2k plus 8 equal to minus 8. Write 8 plus 8 from LHS to RHS. It becomes minus 2k equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 by minus 2 0. Now here minus 2k equal to minus 8 minus 16. So 2k equal to plus 16. K equal to 16 by 2 equal to plus 8. Therefore, the values of k are 0, 8. Now second problem. Let a equal to minus 2 0, b equal to 0 4 and c equal to 0 comma k. Take it as first point x1 comma y1. Second is x2 y2. Third is we are having x3 y3. Now area of triangle is given by 4 square units. Whenever area is given, it can be positive or negative. So here we have to take area of triangle equal to 4 square units. So the formula is, we have area of triangle formula is half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to 4. Now the absolute value of this one is, we have to take here plus or minus 4. Now write 1 by 2 this side. It implies x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to plus or minus 8. Write 1 by 2 from LHS to RHS. So 2 into plus or minus 4 equal to plus or minus 8. Now x1 value minus 2. It implies we have determinant of x1 equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0, k 1 equal to, we have plus or minus 8. Now we have to simplify this. Expand along C1. Since we are having two zeros, expand along C1. Expanding along C1, we get minus 2 into determinant of minus 2 lies in first row and first column. Close the first column and first row. Remaining 4 elements we have to take in a determinant 4 1 k 1 minus 0 plus 0 equal to plus or minus 8. Now after simplification we get this one equal to minus 2 into 4 minus k equal to plus or minus 8. Multiply with minus 2, then it becomes minus 8 plus 2k equal to plus or minus 8. So we have to take plus 8 and we have to take minus 8. Then we get the values of k. Minus 8 plus 2k equal to plus 8. And one more is, we have minus 8 plus 2k equal to minus 8. In this case we have 2k equal to 8 plus 8 equal to 16. Then we have k equal to 16 by 2 equal to 8. Now second case, minus 2k equal to minus 8. Write minus 8 from LHS to RHS. So minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0. So k equal to 0. Therefore k equal to 0, 8. Find the equation of the line joining 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6 using determinants. Solution. We know that the equation of the line is required equation of line is half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to 0. Sorry, xy1 it is. xy1, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 equal to 0. Now here x1 y1 is this one, and here x2 y2 is this one. So we have to write half into determinant of xy1. Here x1 y1 equal to what you have 1 2 1 2 1, x2 y2 3 6 1 equal to 0. Write 1 by 2 from LHS to RHS. It implies we get determinant of xy1 1 2 1 3 6 1 equal to 0. Then expanding along R1, expanding along R1, we get x into, we have to expand along R1 here. So here we have to take x into determinant of plus x into determinant of x lies in first row and first column. So first row and first column we have to close. Then we have the remaining 4 elements 2 1 6 1. Next minus y into determinant of the element y lies in first row and second column 1 1 3 1 1 1 3 1. Next plus 1 into determinant of 1 lies in first row and third column 1 2 3 6 1 2 3 6 equal to 0. Then we have x into 2 minus 6 minus y into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 minus 6 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Then here we are getting x into minus 4 minus y into minus 2 equal to 0. So it implies minus 4x plus 2y equal to 0. So take 2 common here. Minus 2x plus y equal to 0. So y minus 2x equal to 0. So y equal to 2x. This is the required line equation. Second problem in fourth main. Find the equation of the line joining 3 comma 1 and 9 comma 3 using determinants. Let a equal to 3 comma 1 and b equal to 9 comma 3 and b equal to 9 comma 3. Let p be any point, let p x comma y you take here. Let p x comma y be any point on the line joining A and B. Then here clearly we see that the points A, P, B are collinear. A, P and B are collinear. Whenever the 3 points A, P, B are collinear, we say that area of triangle APB equal to 0. Area of triangle APB equal to 0. So now half into determinant of APB or PAB, anyone you can take. First I take the point P here, x, y, 1. Next I take the point A here, x1, y1, x2, y2 here. So 3, 1, 1, 9, 3, 1 equal to 0. We can write directly, otherwise the equation of line is half into determinant of x, y, 1. Second point you are having 3, 1, 1, 9, 3, 1 equal to 0. Now here we have to simplify this. Write 1 by 2 that side. It implies we have x, y, 1, 3, 1, 1, 9, 3, 1 equal to 0. Now take R2 implies R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So we have to take operation here. R2 changes, applying R2 changes R2 minus R1, and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Now we get R1 is same, no change in R1. So determinant of x, y, 1, 3 minus x, 1 minus y. Next we have 1 minus 1, 0, 9 minus x. We have R3 changes to R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1 means 9 minus x, 3 minus y. Next 1 minus 1 becomes 0, equal to 0. Now here expand along C3. Expanding along C3, we get plus 1 into expanding along C3 here now. So plus minus plus. So plus 1 into determinant of 3 minus x, 1 minus y, 9 minus x, 3 minus y. Next we have minus 0. Next plus 0 equal to 0. Then now here it becomes, multiply these two. Whenever you have a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, product of principal diagonal elements minus product of off diagonal elements. So 3 minus x into 3 minus y minus of 9 minus x into 1 minus y equal to 0. Now it's equal to 3 into 3 minus y, 3 into 3 minus y. Next minus x into 3 minus y minus of 9 into 1 minus y minus x into 1 minus y equal to 0. Now 3 into 3, 9, minus 3y minus 3x plus xy minus of, here we have 9 minus 9y minus x plus xy equal to 0. Then it becomes 9 minus 3y minus 3x plus xy minus 9 minus into minus plus 9y plus x minus xy equal to 0. Plus xy minus xy becomes 0. Plus 9 minus 9 becomes 0. Now minus 3x plus x equal to, we are having minus 2x. Here we have plus 6y equal to 0. Then it implies we are having 2x equal to 6y. Right to this side. Then we get x equal to 3y. So x minus 3y equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Final equation is x minus 3y equal to 0, which is the required equation of the line. Example, find the equation of the line joining a 1 comma 3 and b 0 comma 0 using determinants, and find k if d comma 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. Now here first we have to find the equation of the line joining a 1 comma 3 and b 0 comma 0. Let a equal to 1 comma 3 and b equal to 0 comma 0. Let P be any point on the line joining A and B. Let P be any point Px comma y, you take here Px comma y be any point on AB, on the line AB. Now APB are collinear. Whenever the point P lies on the line joining A and B, clearly we see that area of triangle APB equal to 0. Area of triangle PAB equal to 0 since PAB are collinear. Now formula is half into determinant of the point P equal to x, y, 1. Next we have to take point A. Point A is we are having 1, 3. So here we have to take 1, 3, 1. Next here we are having the point B. Point B equal to here we are having 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 equal to 0. Now write 1 by 2 from LHS to RHS. Then 1 by 2 becomes 2. So it implies we have determinant of x, y, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 0. Since we are having two zeros in R3, expand along R3. Expanding along R3, we get 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. So plus 1 into determinant of 1 lies in third row and third column. So determinant of x, y, 1, 3 equal to 0. So this can be written as 3x minus y equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. Next, one more case we have here. Find the value of k if dk comma 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is given by 3 square units. A equal to 1 comma 3, B equal to 0 comma 0, D equal to we have k comma 0. It's given that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. Area of triangle ABD equal to 3. We know that area of triangle ABD formula half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So here 1 3 1, x1 y1 1, x1 y1. Next x2 y2, x2 y2. Next we have x3 y3, x1 y1 1. Next we have x2 y2 1. Next we have x3 y3 1, k0 1 equal to, we have to take plus or minus 3 since it is absolute value, we have to take plus or minus 3. Then it implies we have, write 1 by 2 that side, we have 1 3 1 0 0 1 k0 1 equal to plus or minus 3 into 2 equal to plus or minus 6. So here we are getting plus or minus 6. Now we have to simplify this now. Expanding along R2 since we are having two zeros. Expanding along R2. The signs which we have plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So here R2 means we are having minus plus minus. We can expand any determinant along 3 rows or along any 3 columns. So I would like to expand here along second row since we are having two zeros. So minus 0, first minus 0, next we have plus 0, Next we have minus 1 into determinant of the element 1 lies in second row and third column. Then we have the remaining elements 1, 3, k 0 equal to plus or minus 6. Now minus 1 into 0 minus 3k equal to plus or minus 6. So 3k equal to plus or minus 6. Now k equal to plus or minus 6 by 3, k equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, here the value of k equal to plus or minus